Okay, this video is going to be first in a series of many about our FileMaker app you've probably heard quite a bit about. For those of you that haven't used or seen it yet, these videos will be a mix of desktop and field, and we did something to this very similar on the Target project of early 2017, and it worked out fairly well. People seem to like them, so we're trying them again here. So what is this app? Basically, it's an application that you put on your iPad. The platform or app is called FileMaker. It's by Apple type people. Looks like this blue folder here. And it's a tool to help you collect all your data in the field. And you can see right here what it does. You take pictures within the app and it organizes them thoroughly for you. It creates line items for components, systems, assets, anything that's a cost and asset calc. It's a place for you to put notes and kind of guides you into taking consistent standard notes, kind of controls scope. And finally, it's going to zap most of this stuff, not all of it, in asset calc. The photos and line items are going to go into asset calc, giving you a head start on your right. So the reason this Facility Dude cartoon is here, it's just a little reminder that this app was created with Facility Dude in mind. So a heavy inventory exercise to go with an FCA. It will have use, it works well with standard FCAs. We're also extending it to work for housing, PNAs, CNAs, but it was born of Facility Dude, and that's just something to keep in mind when you're trying to figure out exactly how and why it's working the way it does. So this thing has been called a bunch of things during development. We've settled on ACgo or ACgo going forward. And again, it's really, the name kind of fits what it is, which is it's the front end data collecting part of asset calc. Drilling down just a little bit, kind of some high level things. Some of this we've already mentioned, what the tool does and doesn't do. Again, it's creating line items for asset calc. It's linking photos to those assets. In addition to asset-based photo, it also gives you containers to put your overview, system, space type photos that you want in your photo log. In fact, the tool will create your photo log in a very close sequence to almost exactly the way you want it. Really save some time there. That's one of the big payoffs. Repetitive inventory type tasks. An electronic tool really helps there. We think we've really hit the mark. Entering repetitive make, model, serial number. The tool really helps you with that kind of thing. Again, it gives you a place to do some quick and consistent notes. The first big bummer on the red X, full disclosure here, it does not help write the main text report yet. That's kind of phase 2 or phase 3 development. That's where we want to get to. We can't get to that point without first issuing something workable here. So you still got a text report to write. We have integrated the PSQ and the MSIS sheet, so that's nice. The old practice of uploading your notes and all your photos to the P drive is going to go away on FileMaker jobs. And the notes and the photos are embedded within the app. The tool does link up to the folder structure as it's set up within asset calc, kind of makes things easy to move the data around. A big clarification here, and we'll get into more of this later, but right now the way this thing works is it's a one-way push from the tablet, from the tool, into asset calc. It does not pull. So this is a one-way show, and much more on that soon. And finally, we've just begun integrating some automatic QA features in the tool. Very primitive right now, but there is a first level. More and more of that's coming down here, the last column. So that was our little introductory bit, and I'll get more into some details now.